Camp Homewood Sailing. Experience the ocean as you never have before. Camp Homewood Sailing Camp is an ocean adventure for campers ages 13 and older. Sailors will get to see the beauty of the sea, lakes, waterfalls, and observe God's amazing creatures in their natural habitat. Set up camp as the sun sets and enjoy the food as well as times of singing and hearing testimonies of God's work in the lives of our staff. Spend a first-rate week and share memories you won't soon forget.